Crafting effective business strategies is essential for sustained success and growth. This guide delves into 6 key tactics that can help businesses develop and implement strategies that drive results. 1. Market analysis. Begin by conducting a comprehensive analysis of the market landscape. Identify industry trends, competitor strategies, and customer preferences. 2. SWOT analysis. Understanding strengths to leverage, weaknesses to mitigate, opportunities to capitalize on, and threats to address is critical for strategy formulation. 3. Differentiation strategy. Develop a differentiation strategy to distinguish your products or services from competitors. Focus on unique value propositions, innovation, or exceptional customer experiences to create a competitive advantage in the market. 4. Market segmentation. Tailoring marketing efforts and product offerings to specific customer segments allows businesses to better meet diverse needs and preferences. 5. Strategic partnerships. Forge strategic partnerships with complementary businesses or organizations. Collaborations can provide access to new markets, technologies, or resources, enhancing the business's competitive position and fueling growth. 6. Continuous improvement. Embrace a culture of continuous improvement to adapt to changing market dynamics and customer demands. Regularly review and refine strategies based on performance metrics and feedback to ensure relevance and effectiveness. By implementing these 6 key tactics, businesses can craft effective strategies that drive sustainable growth and success in today's competitive marketplace. I hope that you like the video and do follow our channel for more professional and business tips and other interesting videos. Thank you and goodbye.